Yeah, let's collaborate. Like, let's work together, guys. Yo, man, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, just a quick video. I just want to work with you. I want you to work with me. So I'm gonna release a free melody loop on my Telegram. You can go and download this loop and go and add the drums. Everything is started on this loop. It's a free melody guitar loop. That you can use to add the drums. I just want you to add the drums, simple things, the clap, the snares, hi-hats, open hats. No 808 because I already added the bass, but you can remove the bass if you want to add the 808. So yeah, it's some sort of a collaboration. Let's participate and work together, man. I hope you're gonna enjoy the melody loop that I'm gonna preview after. So yeah, man, peace and love, man. Make sure you subscribe, comment, share all my videos, and let's get it, man.